Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Just try to understand how much ignorance we are. We are all in ignorance. This education is wanted because people, by this ignorance, they are fighting with one another. One nation is fighting with another. One religionist is fighting with another religion. But it is all based on ignorance. I am not this one. Therefore Shastra says, Jashrata buddhi kunapeti dhatu. Ata buddhi kunapeti. This is a bag of bones and muscles. And it is manufactured by three dhatus. Dhatu means element. According to Ayurvedic system, kapha, pitta, vayu. Material things. So therefore, I am spirit soul. I am part and parcel of God. Aham Brahmasmi. This is the basic education. Try to understand that you do not belong to this material world. You belong to the spiritual world. You are part and parcel of God. Mamaimamsa jiva bhuta. In the Bhagavad Gita, God says that all living entities are my part and parcel. Manasasthani indriyani prakritisthani karusati. He is undergoing a great struggle for life under the impression, under the bodily impression that is this body. But this kind of impression or understanding is animal civilization. Because the animals are also eating, sleeping, having sex, intercourse and defending in their own way. So if we also, human beings, if we are engaged with all this business, means namely eating, sleeping, sex, intercourse and defending, then we are not better than the animals. The special prerogative of the human being is to understand what I am. I am this body or something else. Actually I am not this body. I have given you so many examples. I am spirit soul. But at the present moment, every one of us is busy on this understanding that I am this body. Nobody is working on the understanding that he is not body, he is spirit soul. Therefore try to understand this Krishna consciousness movement. We are trying to educate every man without any distinction. We do not, because we do not take consideration of the body. The body may be Hindu, body may be Muslim, the body may be European, body may be American. The body may be defined, style, just like you have got a dress. Now, because I am in saffron dress and you are in black coat, that does not mean we shall fight together. Why? You may have a different dress, I may have a different dress. So what is the reason for fighting? This understanding want at the present moment. Otherwise, it is a civilization of animals, just like in the jungle. There are animals, there are cats, dogs, jackals, tigers, and they always fight. Therefore, if we really want Shanti, Shanti means peace, then we must try to understand what I am. That is our Krishna consciousness movement. We are teaching everyone what he is actual. But his position is everyone's position, not only your, everyone, even the animals. They are also spirit's power. They are also, Krishna claims that sarvajonishu kontiya sambhavanti murtaya tasang mahajjani brahma aham bija pradapita. Krishna claims that I am the seed-giving father of all living entities. Actually, this is the fact. If we want to study the origin of creation, everything is explained in the Bhagavad Gita. Just like the father gives the seed within the womb of the mother, and the seed grows a particular type of body. Similarly, we living entities, we are all part and parcel of God. So God impregnates this material nature, and we come out with this material body under different forms. There are 8,400,000 of forms. Jalajana Lakhani, Khavra, Lakhavinsati. There is a list. Everything is there.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.